Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today, we are going to tackle our Hanukkah menorah look here for Hanukkah. Obviously, it is literally days away, so hopefully this will be helpful. You can create something really nice and creative on your mantle. So here are our tools. You're just going to need some scissors, you'll need some ribbon, some royal blue craft sand, or whatever blue that you want. But we're using our traditional colors here, the silvers, the blues, and we're using white candles. So this is a pack that we sell, a 12 pack, and these candles are about 10 inches tall. Now, when you put the actual candles in, there's going to be that center candle of the 9 that is going to be a little bit taller, but we'll make sure to cover that when we get to that point. So here we're just going to be decorating our clear glass votive candle holders. Obviously you'll need 9 of these as well for the menorah look, and some of our 3/8-inch silver ribbon here. You can grab whatever ribbon that works from a craft store if you maybe have it in the house, just something that is a nice little touch of decoration to the votive candle holders here. Now this is a great project to include your kids on. It's not very hard, and you know what, it'll really kind of involve them in the tradition, and I think that's always important, especially kids, to join in on that. And you can kind of tell stories too of any kind of traditions or what your grandparents did, and just kind of start that conversation. Great conversation piece, this whole. What we use is our Cricut here of circles that we're pasting on or hot gluing on each of the votive candles. Now you can put Shalom on there, or you can put Hanukkah, or whatever kind of traditional word that you want to put on there. You can put family, or however you want to kind of write on there. If you don't have a Cricut, not to worry, but you can also get these round circles at a craft store as well, kind of like those chalk looking circles that you put the white on there. That way you can write any words that you want on there, or put some like white sticker letters on there, and then spell it out as well. We're putting actually a glue dot on the bottom of the candle so it stays in place. So here we're just putting that royal blue decorative craft sand, making sure that it's nice and level, and of course taking a paintbrush to take off any of the excess sand there. It does get a little sandy, but it's not hard. There's not any glue on the actual candle itself, just on the very bottom. So as I mentioned before, one of the candles in the very middle that we have the star on is going to be taller, or needs to be taller than all the rest. So what we did is we filled the votive holder halfway, then placed the candle halfway, and then filled it all the way up to the top. As you can see, that middle one has a lot more sand, and that way it'll be a little bit taller. If you want to take another route, go ahead and just kind of melt down the other candles maybe a little bit shorter, and you can do that as well. So that is basically a great way to create your own DIY menorah. Like I mentioned, all the circles, you can put a word on there, whatever that you'd like. We just put some of the dreidels and traditional Hanukkah signs on there. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Make sure that you like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.